Blizzard.
Yes, Alex? Are you free this afternoon? After study, what? Why? Well, your wish has been granted. Your first visit alone. Just make sure she has
Come on, get it out.
pop out on the house.
Silly goose.
I can't get her on the phone. She must be sick. She has the damn house. What's this face? Oh, that's, severe. Not disease, dementia. Well, apparently she sleeps through most of the day.
Kitty,
Her daughter
good boy.
works